Yeah, we'll see how these niggas gonna try and fucking diss me, man. We'll see who fucking wins in the end, whatever. It's just fucking lame. Yeah, yeah. Push down the gas cause I'm flaming it up. All these pussies are actors and faking too much. Got it the cold, I'ma smoke you like Dutch. Josh ain't about to collapse in his lungs. Pussy you dead, caught by the feds. Dropping that baby right onto his hand. Making you silent, you fucking in bread. Cisco was bleeding, you singing the bread. Ayy, radical coming, you out of the water. I'm sick of these niggas, they fucking with God. Gazelle to a lion, a dog to a mind. Your pussy is bleeding, I'm calling it odd. Now I'm awoke and my body was frozen. Just look at his face cause that nigga a rat. Come to the king, now you bound to the ring. I'm smoking a nigga and naming the back. Bait on my head with the skig on my face. With the finishing move as I'm catching the case. Nigga retarded, can't keep with the pace. Lacing it up as I come through the gates. All in his feelings, he Jake in the jam. Niggas too broke, he ain't walking again. Sound like a problem, we go to a friend. Nasty ass niggas gon' drop to the game. What's a guy to an antelope? You the poison, I'm the antidote. I'ma have a shit on rapping though. Red dot like a telescope. It's still like I'm down with the sickness. Put them on my wish list. And see a nigga kinda wish this. You don't really wanna miss this. I get it, nigga, they don't know. Can't roll with the dice, no Soho. I'm a battle in the black ass photo. And I big cash stick with a polo. Don't talk, you a bitch, ain't gon' hold no me. In a guts like a dime, you stuck on knees. Call me the future, cause I got the keys. Don't get embodied, I'm killing the beats. Slice them in two and I'm having a fit.